Hey guys, welcome back to Towro Tuesday today. Today we're going to be featuring the Diamond C hydraulic dovetail 212 gooseneck. A few features on this trailer. So this one first off has a shocker hitch installed on it. If you guys haven't been around one of these, look them up. They're a lifesaver. Next up on this trailer features is this one has a fully oak deck on it. Doesn't take the wear nearly as bad as a treated deck. It'll last longer. Weld-on lockable chain box, which is another addition onto this trailer. This one features dual 12,000 pound axles, oil bath axles with the super single tires on it. And lastly, the best part about this trailer, Diamond C's 12-foot tail. It's the longest in the industry, gives you a 12-degree load angle, and then it lifts and carries 10,000 pound capacity. If you got any questions on these trailers or any trailers we got on the lot, give me a call at 605-682-1818. Otherwise, check out our website at towro.com, Towro.com.